States had tried to keep Trump off their ballots, citing a post-Civil War constitutional provision about office holders who engaged in insurrection. But the Supreme Court sided with Trump in a unanimous decision.
Fox 5's Ashley Rodriguez joins us now with a look at what their ruling means for the upcoming race for the White House. Ash.
Yeah, so the Supreme Court's ruling puts Trump back on the ballot in Colorado, Illinois, and Maine. And this is a big win to kick off a big week for not only Trump's campaign, but for President Biden's as well.
Essentially, you cannot take somebody out of a race because an opponent would like to have it that way.
The Supreme Court ruled unanimously Monday states cannot use a 14th Amendment provision banning insurrectionists to keep a presidential candidate's name off the ballot. The decision comes just in time for Super Tuesday, where voters in Colorado, Maine, and Illinois will now see Trump as an option.
There are, of course, other reasons why he may run into legal and electoral headwinds as a result. But in terms of the disqualification question, that has now been definitively settled for this round.
Trump's legal hurdles continue in Georgia, where he faces an election subversion case brought by Fulton County DA Fani Willis. The public is waiting while a judge is weighing whether she should be removed for a romantic relationship with the prosecutor that could create a conflict of interest.
If she goes, then the question is, who brings the case? Does the case continue?
Over in Florida, the country is also anticipating a ruling in Trump's classified documents case. The judge there is considering a trial date. The special prosecutor, Jack Smith, is pushing for an early July trial date, while Trump's team would like the trial to start after the election. Trump saying Monday the White House is coordinating with state and city DAs to weaponize the Justice Department.
Biden ought to drop all of these things. And frankly, he may do better if he does.
It's a big week for President Biden as well, who is preparing for a State of the Union speech on Thursday. Analysts say to battle Trump's favorable poll numbers, Biden needs to give an energetic speech, not misspeak, and explain how his administration is helping the average American.
That's going to be very important for people who are on the fence about his capacity to govern at this point.
So Super Tuesday tomorrow is pretty much Nikki Haley's last chance to slow Trump's path toward the nomination. Now, in a new CBS News YouGov poll, 52% of voters said they would vote for Trump in the general election, beating Biden by 4 points. Natasha.
All right, Ashley, thank you.